Hey everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I am going to talk to you about this little vest. I will of course add pictures. This was kind of a fail, so let me explain. So let's get to it. Now, as I stated, it was the process and the fabric that I chose to use that kind of made this a fail, but in the end I think I ended up with something that is actually something obviously that I can wear and that I can use. So the fabric is from Minerva. It was gifted to me by them. As you know, I am one of the Minerva makers. So this was the fabric that I chose. It's a reversible fleece fabric with a lip print on it. I thought it was really cute. My idea was to make like a cardigan type jacket. I was going to use the Fraser cardigan, which is from Love Notions. I was going to do the one without the hood, which is this one here. The pattern is designed obviously for stretch fabric. This doesn't really have stretch, but I've done that before with a different pattern, and it worked out fine. This one, not so much. I think with this pattern, if you're going to use it, you need to actually use the recommended fabric, the stretch fabric. This did not have enough stretch. So when it got to putting in the sleeves for this, they were way too tight. And I tried to make some adjustments and all of that. And so what I did is I ended up just literally cutting off the sleeves. I didn't even bother to unpick them. And then I just folded under the sleeve area here and just hemmed it. I just folded and hemmed it rather than add any kind of binding or anything. Now with this fabric, it is very fluffy. So if you've ever worked with something like a minky fabric, you know that when you cut it, it will leave fluff everywhere. Same thing with this. But the pattern, I did end up with something really nice, I think, because it's got these nice pockets, which, like I said, I'll show you pictures. It's got nice pockets, and it's a nice design. There's nothing, I don't think there's anything wrong with the pattern. It just did not work for this particular fabric. So that is something that is basically kind of a fail for me. But being able to turn that mistake into something that is usable is a good thing to be able to do. You have to sometimes think creatively or think, well, what can I do with this now? Because I don't want to just trash it. And all, like I was saying, I just like to have whatever I'm working on completed. So I really don't have anything here that is not complete. I have things that I haven't started, but not anything that's actually not done once it is started. As far as what I am currently working on, I just cut this out. This is the Nikki blazer. I have made this once before. I'm going to do it again. This is hopefully going to get done before the end of February, because this is going to be my Black History Month Pattern Designers Challenge entry, hopefully, to get this done. Like I said, I've made this before, but what I did, used a recommended fabric, and also I traced it again. I traced a larger size. I think when I made it before, I probably should have used a slightly larger size. I think it would have been a bit more comfortable, because it ended up being one of those things I really didn't wear often, but it is a nice style. So that is what I'm currently working on. I have found a piece of, it's a linen rayon blend fabric that I have in my stash. It's a navy blue color, solid navy blue. So that is what I'm going to be using for the blazer. And yeah, that is basically what I'm working on at the moment, what I've completed. Sometimes your fails don't end up as complete failures. So if you have those projects that you are just thinking, this is not turning out like I thought, it happens sometimes. It happens to everybody. but try to figure out a way to either complete it some kind of way, or see what you can do with it. If you have to take that material and, hey, use it for something else, then that's fine, do that. But yeah, it actually kind of makes you think a little more creatively in some ways. So just see what you can do with the things that you've got. So that is it for this video. I thank you all for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, because then you will be notified the next time I upload a new video. Thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, comments, whatever, leave it down below, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.